I think we gotta lift it up like that. Oh boy, that's heavy. Okay, Dorothy.
All right, over to the, towards Hans. Okay, to the window, to the back. There you go.
Okay, we're in. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh my goodness.
I gotta position it.
Is that the
Pretty darn. I finally finished my hookah smoking caterpillar. Some detail underneath, some translucency. An LED string light through the center of it. It's redwood base, sandstone pedestal. Got some aquamarina marble stem, calcite stem, and then combinations of Italian ice alabaster, onyx, calcite, fluorite, soapstone, you name it. There's lots of different things on here, different types of marble. I put some prism lenses on some stone and got some piece off my wife's necklace to make those earpieces. That's from a real hookah, but then I made there's actually lights, LED lights inside this as well, but the batteries went dead, and actually the stem lit up as well, but the batteries went dead in it.